Bitcoin Cash truly has a medium-term obstruction at $109.8, or so they in a real sense thought. Bitcoin exchange is close $431.51, which certainly is genuinely critical. Bitcoin pair exchanging above MR20 in an especially significant way. The fundamentally current exchanging volume of Bitcoin Cash certainly is at $831 to 2100 in a sort of significant manner. So 9 walk 2024. In this we will in every practical sense walk you through Bitcoin Cash cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now and in a real sense attempt to answer these regularly generally clarified some things facts, what for the most part is in every practical sense transient cost expectation for Bitcoin Cash, sort of is BCH a genuinely wise interest in a huge manner. Bitcoin Cash support and obstruction levels and so on, which generally is very huge. However, prior to jumping truly profound into the BCH specialized examination, generally let us for the most part discuss the especially current economic situations, showing that the ongoing exchanging volume of Bitcoin Cash is at $831 to 2100 in an in every practical sense enormous way. Market examination over the last 24 hours, there truly was a defeat of 184%, bringing the whole digital currency market to total 596 498 391 362 in an unobtrusive manner. The sort of complete exchanging volume certainly remains at $149 122 at 64 845, which explicitly shows that Bitcoin pair exchanging above MA20 in an especially large way. Bitcoin shares 71% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a strength of 1633%, showing how 09 walk 2024. In this we will for the most part walk you through Bitcoin Cash cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and in a real sense attempt to answer these much of the time basically clarified pressing issues facts, what explicitly is fundamentally transient cost expectation for Bitcoin Cash, in a real sense is BCH a very wise venture, really as opposed to prevalent thinking, which certainly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $68 330.89 level after a vertical development of 134%, so Bitcoin Cash support and opposition levels and so forth in an unpretentious manner. Various elected digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a value decline of 0.9% coming to $39 at 1783 during the past 24 hours, which especially is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $488.37, following a value change of 358% inside a similar time period, so however prior to plunging in every practical sense, profound into the BCH specialized examination, in a real sense let us by and large discussion about the kind of current economic situations, exhibiting that the especially current exchanging volume of Bitcoin Cash sort of is at $831 to 2100 in an all things considered significant way. Sol, the really local coin of Solana basically is up by 49, and as of now exchanging at $147.19, kind of additional appearance how various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part has seen a value diminishing of 0.9% coming to $39 at 1783 during the past 24 hours in a by and large huge manner. Moreover, XRP came to 0.62 subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.68% in esteem, which basically is very huge. These occasions generally demonstrate that the market basically is going in an exceptionally descending course for commonly present moment, which sort of shows that the extremely current exchanging volume of Bitcoin Cash especially is at $831 to 2100 in an unpretentious manner. Right now, a genuinely broad fundamentally bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting how solely in every way that really matters local coin of Solana in every way that really matters is up by 49 and presently exchanging at $147.19 sort of additional appearance how various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a value lessening of 0.9% coming to $39 at 1723 during the past 24 hours, which truly is very critical. Bitcoin Cash backing and opposition backing and obstruction in every practical sense are significant specialized markers used to really recognize pretty key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, especially further appearance how Bitcoin pair exchanging above MR20, which most certainly is very huge. Support essentially is a level at which purchases especially become kind of more by and large dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which explicitly shows that yet prior to jumping most certainly profound into the BCH specialized examination, fundamentally let us by and large discussion about the truly current economic situations, exhibiting that the genuinely current exchanging volume of Bitcoin Cash truly is at $831 to $2,101 in an in every practical sense huge way. Similarly, opposition by and large is a level at which dealers in every practical sense become moved genuinely dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how Beech's pair exchanging above MA20 in a significant way. Following generally are the help and opposition levels of Bitcoin Cash BCH Bitcoin Cash execution. The by and large current Bitcoin Cash cost generally is $431.51. with an exchanging volume of $831 to $2,101 in the beyond 24 hours. So Beechust exchanges close $431.51 in a fundamentally significant manner. Presently, BCH generally is somewhere near 85% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $8,485 $131,692 US in a sort of significant manner. Bitcoin Cash Value Examination BCH Cost Investigation for Zo9 Walk 2024 inside a genuinely everyday time period for the most part made sense of beneath, so the genuinely all-out exchanging volume explicitly remains at $149, 102, 264, 845, which basically shows that Beech's pair exchanging above MR20 kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. We utilize really relative strength indexes, moving pretty normal union and dissimilarity MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including extremely straightforward moving kind of normal, smart and outstanding moving certainly normal. To examine the future development of the Bitcoin Cash in every practical sense. Further appearance how market examination over the in every practical sense last 24 hours, there in every practical sense, was a defeat of 184%, bringing the buy and L. Large whole cryptographic money market to 32 596 498 3091 362 beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. While BCH's Williams percent R pointer most certainly is at 60.21 for the 14-day time span showing an unbiased condition. Exchange extremely signal really is somewhat conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that moreover XRP came to 0.62 in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.68% in esteem in an unobtrusive way. The in every practical sense relative strength record RSI demonstrates that the BCH coin in a real sense is in oversold stage, as RSI by and large is at 25, all things considered. Further appearance how we utilize fundamentally relative strength indexes, moving genuinely normal union and dissimilarity MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including especially straightforward moving all things considered, normal, smart and remarkable moving especially normal and to for the most part dissect the future development of the Bitcoin Cash,